1. Masjid al-Haram, Great Mosque of Mecca, Saudi Arabia. As one stands in the holiest city in Islam, they are greeted by Al-Masjid al-Haram, the greatest mosque in the world. Surrounding the Kaaba, the sacred place welcomes millions of pilgrims each year, whose collective devotion creates a truly inspiring sight. 2. Masjid al-Nabawi, Mosque of the Prophet, Saudi Arabia. Built by Prophet Muhammad, the Al-Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina radiates serenity and spirituality. The green dome covering the tomb of the Prophet enhances its captivating beauty. 3. Sultan Ahmed Mosque, Blue Mosque, Turkey. Istanbul's Blue Mosque is truly astounding. The interior is adorned with hand-painted tiles, and the magnificent dome, surrounded by 6 minarets, makes it a symbol of Ottoman architecture. 4. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, UAE. In Abu Dhabi, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque exemplifies both modern and traditional Islamic designs. Its elegant white marble, 82 domes, and elaborate chandeliers leave visitors fascinated. 5. Masjid Sultan, Singapore. A vibrant place of worship, Masjid Sultan stands as a remarkable example of Arabic, Indo-Saracenic, and Malay cultures blending harmoniously in Singapore's Kampong Glam district. 6. Badshahi Mosque, Pakistan. Lahore's Badshahi Mosque, a testament to the Mughal era, boasts intricate red sandstone accents, marble inlay work, and mesmerizing geometric patterns. Its grand courtyard can accommodate thousands of worshippers. 7. Selimiye Mosque, Turkey. Located in Edirne, Selimiye Mosque is the masterpiece of Ottoman architect Mimar Sinan. Its octagonal dome, towering minarets, and stunning calligraphy create an unforgettable sight. 8. Hassan II Mosque, Morocco. The towering Hassan II Mosque, perched strikingly on the coast of Casablanca, is the largest in Africa. Its blend of Moorish and Andalusian architectural styles, along with exquisite sea views, is breathtaking. 9. Shah Jahan Mosque, Pakistan. Built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, this intricate mosque in Thatta, Pakistan, captivates with its colorful tile work, elaborately carved arches, and serene ambience. 10. Faisal Mosque, Pakistan. Islamabad's Faisal Mosque is an iconic emblem of modern-day Islamic architecture, designed by Vedat Dalokai, a Turkish architect. Its unusual triangular shape and majestic white marble make it a striking landmark. 11. Putra Mosque, Malaysia. The stunning Putra Mosque, located in Putrajaya, is an architectural marvel with its pink granite structure, prominent dome, and beautiful design. It offers a serene atmosphere for worshippers. 12. Blue Mosque of Tabriz, Iran. The elegant Blue Mosque in Tabriz is adorned with mesmerizing turquoise tilled walls and arches. With its exceptional tile work, intricate calligraphy, and splendid domes. 13. Shah Mosque, Iran. The epitome of Persian Islamic architecture, Isfahan's Shah Mosque showcases extravagant tilework, distinct blue domes, and magnificent minarets. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a must-visit. 14. Jama Masjid, India. Jama Masjid, located in Old Delhi, is the largest mosque in India. Its red sandstone architecture, grand courtyard, and minarets offers a timeless charm that echoes the Mughal era. 15. Crystal Mosque, Malaysia. The Crystal Mosque in Terengganu boasts an ethereal appearance due to its glass and steel construction. This modern masterpiece stands as a symbol of Malaysia's Islamic heritage. 16. Sultan Umar Ali Saifuddin Mosque, Brunei. The Sultan Umar Ali Saifuddin Mosque's stunning golden dome and the serene waters surrounding the mosque create an atmosphere of tranquility in the heart of Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei. 17. Wazir Khan Mosque, Pakistan. Located in Lahore, the Wazir Khan Mosque fascinates visitors with its intricate frescoes, colorful tile work, and exquisitely decorated courtyard, showcasing the richness of the Mughal era. 18. Aqsa Mosque, Palestine. The Al-Aqsa Mosque, situated in the old city of Jerusalem, holds immense significance for Muslims worldwide. It is the third holiest site in Islam, following the Kaaba in Mecca and the Prophet's Mosque in Medina. The mosque itself is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of religious and historical heritage. 19. Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, Oman. A magnificent work of contemporary Islamic architecture, the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque in Muscat showcases grand domes, captivating chandeliers, and an ornate mihrab that delights the senses. 20. Putrajaya Tuanku Mizan Zain al-Abidin Mosque, Malaysia. Also known as the Iron Mosque. This futuristic structure in Putrajaya captivates with its steel framework, unique architectural style, and serene lakeside location. 21. Qul Sharif Mosque, Russia. Located in Kazan Kremlin, the Qul Sharif Mosque is a stunning reconstruction of the mosque that was destroyed in the 16th century. Its blue domes and intricate interior transport visitors to a bygone era. 22. Al-Fatih Grand Mosque, Bahrain. A magnificent example of contemporary Islamic architecture, the Al-Fatih Grand Mosque in Manama, Bahrain, impresses with its sheer size, intricate hardwork, and grand chandeliers. 23. Al-Qarawiyyin Mosque and University, Morocco. The Al-Qarawiyyin Mosque and University in Fez, established in the 9th century, is recognized as the oldest educational institution globally, emanating a sense of historical importance. 24. Süleymaniye Mosque, Turkey. Built during the Ottoman Empire, Istanbul Süleymaniye Mosque showcases exceptional architecture with its towering dome, delicate calligraphy, and serene courtyards that invite contemplation. 25. Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Mosque, Malaysia, also known as the Blue Mosque. This magnificent structure in Shah Alam, Malaysia, boasts a stunning blue and silver dome, captivating wall patterns, and an enchanting atmosphere. 26. Jami Mosque of Isfahan. The Jami Mosque of Isfahan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a masterpiece of Persian Islamic architecture. Its impressiveness lies in its intricate tile work, elegant dome structures, and historical significance. 27. Mezquita Cathedral de Cordoba, Spain. A splendid blend of Islamic and Christian architecture, the Mezquita Cathedral de Cordoba in Spain showcases an array of unique columns, arches, and vibrant mosaics that create an enchanting ambience. 28. Masjid al-Qiblatain, Saudi Arabia. Signifying the two Qiblas, this mosque in Medina marks the transition from the initial Qibla direction of prayer towards the Kaaba in Mecca. Its historical significance and architectural charm entice visitors. 29. Jamek Mosque, Malaysia. Situated at the confluence of the Gombak and Klang rivers, Kuala Lumpur's Jamek Mosque delights with its Moorish-inspired architecture, elegant arches, and beautifully landscaped surroundings. 30. Grand Jamia Mosque, Pakistan. Located in Lahore, the Grand Jamia Mosque is known for its grandeur, ornate details, and exceptional acoustic design. The vast mosque complex can accommodate over 70,000 worshippers. 31. Great Mosque of Samarra, Iraq. A true architectural wonder, the Great Mosque of Samarra from the Abbasid era boasts an enormous spiral minaret, stunning brickwork, and intricate carvings reflecting the grandeur of the Islamic Golden Age. 32. Banja Bashi Mosque, Bulgaria. Situated in Sofia, Banja Bashi Mosque stands as one of the oldest mosques in Europe. Its striking, circular shape, elegant domes, and traditional Ottoman architectural features make it a unique spectacle. 33. Nuristana Mosque, Kazakhstan. Located in Nur Sultan, Kazakhstan, this grand mosque amazes with its gleaming white facade, towering minarets, and splendid interior design featuring intricate chandeliers and rich ornamentation. 34. Jumeirah Mosque, UAE. As one of the few mosques open to non-Muslim visitors, Dubai's Jumeirah Mosque allows visitors to appreciate its mesmerizing architecture, delicate calligraphy, and stunning lighting at night. 35. Koutoubia Mosque, Morocco. Situated in Marrakesh, the Koutoubia Mosque captivates with its towering minaret, intricately carved arches, and timeless elegance that has inspired numerous mosques around the world. 36. The Al-Azhar Mosque, Egypt. The Al-Azhar Mosque in Cairo stands as one of the world's oldest centers for Islamic learning. Its elegant courtyards, stunning geometric patterns, and towering minarets exude historical significance. 37. Grand Mosque of Bobo Dioulasso, Burkina Faso. The Grand Mosque of Bobo Dioulasso impresses with its mud brick architecture, intricate wooden carvings, and unique blend of African and Islamic influences, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Burkina Faso. 38. Sultan Haji Hassan al-Bolkiah Masjid, Brunei. The Sultan Haji Hassan al-Bolkiah Masjid, the country's largest mosque, is a visual delight with its golden domes, impressive minarets, and peaceful garden surroundings, paying tribute to Brunei's Islamic heritage. 39. Bibi Khani Mosque, Uzbekistan. Located in Samarkand, the Bibi Khani Mosque displays architectural prowess with its massive domes, intricate blue mosaic work, and a history that dates back to the 15th century. 40. Sehzade Mosque, Turkey. Designed by the legendary Mimar Sinan, the Sehzade Mosque in Istanbul exemplifies Ottoman architecture with its impressive dome, stunning stained glass windows, and majestic courtyard. Experience the power of uninterrupted viewing with our ad-free app One Islam TV, allowing you to connect deeply with the content. Explore the rich teachings of Islam and strengthen your faith through our regular new content. Download the One Islam TV app now.